Okay, we're going to start our ranch house drawing. Remember to, when you first open your AutoCAD, that you set the format, go to Format and Units, set it to Architectural with inches, and then we're going to have a drawing limits of 50 feet, 50 feet, and then don't forget to zoom all. You'll want to run your layer script and then set your current layer to A wall exterior. We're going to start by drawing the main rectangle of the building. So if we go to Rectangle, click on the screen, then put at 38 feet, comma, 28 foot 3, like that. We have the main body of our house. This time we have a garage on our building. Our garage, if you click rectangle, click out here, our garage is at 14 foot 6, comma, 22 foot 10. I think I put too much in there. Let's erase that. Go back to rectangle, click on the screen, at 14 foot 6, comma, 22 foot 10, enter. Alright. Okay, the garage dips down from the house 4 feet. So if we draw a line, we'll go up here to line, click here on the corner, drag our cursor down 4 feet, enter, enter. Then the bottom of the garage corner will fit nicely right here. And then we'll erase that extra line. We'll also explode just the garage right now, and where the garage meets the house, I'm going to trim that extra. There'll be 2 lines on top of each other. So I'll click here and then click to get rid of that extra line there. Alright, now we'll start by offsetting. Well, let's go ahead and explode the house too. Okay, we'll offset in 6 inches, so offset 6, enter, and we'll start here. We'll go down right here over here, down, over, up, in, and we'll also do this one out. Okay, we have our exterior walls now. This is a time that I can show you another command that's very helpful in trimming, and that's fillet. Fillet will give rounded corners, but if you have a radius of 0, which it automatically comes in with, if you'll see right here in our command line it says radius 0, it will trim. So if I go click on one, then click on the perpendicular, you have to hit enter, click on this one, then the perpendicular. You want to click below the line here so it doesn't, I'll show you. If you click here and here, you get the wrong thing, so you want to be careful where you click. I'll undo that. I'll do fillet, click here, here, It's also very helpful in areas like this to use fillet. I trade back and forth. This line will be like here, so, and then right here and here. It also joins corners. And then we can use trim. Sometimes fillet is not a good command, like in this instance we don't want to get rid of a whole lot of walls, so I'll just use trim here. And here. Very good. Okay, we've got the frame of our house. I think we'll start down here in the garage, and we'll cut the opening for the garage. The garage door in this case is 8 feet. They come in various sizes, but an 8-foot works nicely here. So we'll go to line, draw a midpoint here on our wall, and then we'll offset it 4 feet in opposite directions, right to and left. Left, right. We'll go up here and erase this line. And we'll trim. So fillet wouldn't have been a good option here. Trim only works well. Okay, we have our garage door opening. In the back of the garage, we'll have an opening for a door. Again, it's at the midpoint. And we'll offset this time 18 inches on each side because it's a 36-inch wide door. We'll trim. And then we have a window in our garage. We'll offset up the bottom of this garage 9'6". Then offset up 3 feet. Extend this. Sometimes I learned a lot of type, AutoCAD didn't used to have all these great little toolbars. You did a lot of typing, and sometimes I forget, and I type in the shortcuts. So trim. So EX would work for extend instead of using a toolbar. And then we'll trim out the window. Okay, let's change our current layer to a door, and then we can insert and browse and choose the dynamic door block off of blackboard. This time I'm going to explode it so it doesn't come in as a block, and then I will just click on the screen. There's my door, and I will have to rotate this door down because it won't open in. It won't open out, it opens in. Move the base point of the upper right hand corner here to the door jamb. Okay. Alright, garage doors are a real simple drawing. You use rectangle, click on the screen, and it will be at 8 feet, and usually you draw them at 2 inches thick, so 8 feet, comma, 2, enter. Had a mishap there. So rectangle, click on the screen, do at 8 feet, comma, 2. Let's try that again. Rectangle, click on the screen, at 8 feet, comma, 2, enter. There's our garage door finally, and then we'll move it into place. Okay, it hangs out like that. Okay, let's change our current layer to a glazing for the window. We will draw a line in the midpoint, down, then we'll offset it 1.5 to the left and to the right. And there is our garage, and now we have to cut an opening into the house. So we will offset, let's change our current layer back to a wall exterior. We'll offset this down 6 inches for the jamb, then offset 3 feet for the door opening. We'll extend it, EX will do extend, and we'll extend those lines in. Now click trim. Let's window the entire thing there. Get closer with the scroll wheel on our mouse. Don't forget to scroll in and out so that you can see fine details. And we'll trim that, and now we have our opening from the garage into the kitchen. We will make a copy of this door and rotate it. Sure our ortho's on, just pull down and now move it into place. Okay, good job. We now have a nice garage. Let's work on the house. Alright, starting down here at the bottom into our living room and bedroom 1, we are going to offset the wall up 13 feet 5. So offset 13 foot 5, enter. Click on the inside wall, go up, enter, and then offset 6 inches up on here, up. Okay. We will trim where the wall meets the